This is Hannah from the Explorer newspaper, and today we are talking to finalists of Best of the Northwest 2014.
My name is Stephanie and I work with Oregano's Pizza Bistro on Oracle and Orange Grove. Oregano's is a great family place because our service is really sculpted to take care of families. We are a very family-oriented joint with dishes that are very easy to share, very easy to split, and they're priced as well so that it's good food for good money, and you always end up leaving with lots of leftovers.
Hi, I'm Carol Cullivan. I'm the Associate Executive Director here at the Northwest YMCA. It's the environment. We're very family-oriented. People can come here, bring their kids, and drop them off for a couple hours and work out. We invite young people into our fitness center. They can start at age 12 working out. It's definitely geared towards the family.
Giuseppe Ali, co-owner of Michelangelo. I mean, there's great restaurants around town here, but I think, just like I said earlier, it's more about the family. You know, you don't have just managers out here. It's us out here, with the families out here, and talking to people and getting to know people. We've been doing that for the last 25 years.
Groomingdale's Pet Salon. I'm Mary Alice Bushy. I'm the owner. We've been here for 21 years. Most of our clients have stayed with us for that amount of time. Obviously, dogs don't always live that long, but when they get their next pet, they still come back to us. We do daycare. So the dogs aren't put in a crate the whole time they're here. They're not kenneled. They get to play with us, we get to play with them, they get to play with the other dogs that are here. Obviously, we have to know the dogs very, very well to allow that to happen.
Click below to learn more about the Best of the Northwest winners.